In this video, I want to show you how to use your USB drive with your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. This way you can transfer files between these two, watch movies, back up your pictures, do many different things. So the first thing I need to mention is that this tablet has a USB port down below. It's a USB Type-C. Most flash drives are USB Type-A. If you want to make this work, you will need an adapter. USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter like this one. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. Some USB drives are actually clever enough to include a USB Type-A connector and also a USB Type-C. So if you have a flash drive with USB Type-C, in that case, just connect it directly. Whoops, sorry, I'll just need to open it completely and then connect it. How do you transfer files now once this part is done? Well, to transfer files, you don't need to download any apps. That's the good news. You simply need to find the Files app that comes included with your Samsung Tab. So if you don't see it, simply drag down from the bottom of the screen up to open the app drawer, and where you see search, simply type File. Here you go, My Files. Open the My Files app. And then all you have to do is to go on the left side, right over here. And I don't know if you see, but my USB drive will appear right over there. It's usually under internal storage. Tap on it. And once you do this, you're going to get all the folders that are on your USB drive. You may have folders and you may have videos, files, no matter what it is, it will be there. If you want to simply open a file, let's say you want to watch a movie with the USB drive connected, well, simply tap on it. You're going to see the file, the picture, whatever, music, movies that you have. It will ask you with what app to open. Select that and the file will open. If you want to transfer a file from here directly in the internal memory of your tablet, let me just go back. Let's say I want to transfer these 3 or 4 pictures over here on my tablet memory. In that case, I simply have to tap the 3 dots, select, okay, it's the first option. Tap on all the files you wish to transfer. Then down below, you're going to select copy. And now you need to select where do you want them to copy, to paste them. So go in internal storage and select a folder where you want these to go in. In my case, let's say I want to put them in documents. I'll go in documents and select copy here. And copy completed. So these files are now on the internal storage. So if I go in internal storage, documents, here you go, the file that I just copied are all over here. And you can do the contrary. So you go on your tablet, find where you have files that you want to send on the drive. Maybe you want to backup them, for example. Okay, go in internal storage, find them. Maybe it's a picture. It will be in the DCIM folder. I don't have any, so that's why you don't see anything. Select them using the method I showed you and then copy them on the USB drive. Once you are done using the USB drive, you need to eject it. So over here, where you see it, where you see your USB drive, tap on it, tap the 3 dots, and then unmount. And now you can safely remove your USB drive and nothing will be lost. Your USB drive needs to be formatted in FAT32 or exFAT. These are the formats that this tablet likes the most. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.